is Chinmayi and today on my channel I am reviewing the Paul Mitchell Fresh Looks Hot Brush. It claims to volumize, polish, wave and curl, and it has a ceramic barrel for healthy styling and most importantly, international voltage. Yoo-hoo! Let me take you right in. One of the first things that I noticed about this product is the packaging. This is made of 100% total recycled fiber, and it says please contact your local recycling agency regarding responsible disposal of this appliance. But this packaging is actually, it's lovely. It doesn't have additional plastic. I don't see anything else that is plastic. But I love this, especially for the packaging. So it does say that this is great for touch-ups, it's great for no-slip styling, it is travel ready, it is dual voltage for worldwide use, it has a 1-year warranty, and it has safer heat, and it heats the ceramic here heats up evenly to a maximum of 410 Fahrenheit. And this says that you can actually make the blowout, your salon blowout, last or skip it entirely apparently. So let me see how this works. So the package has this pictorial rather, on how to go about doing a couple of different hairstyles, and I'm going to try the loose volume. So let me try. It does ask to separate the hair first from the back and the front portion and kind of clip it all away. So let me do that. So this has two heat settings, the high and the low. This is not a spinning brush, but interestingly this actually seems to spin for easier usage. So I'm going to see how long this takes to heat up. It also says that you need to start with dry hair, so that's the more important thing. What it also says is to not hold the brush with your hair for more than 9 seconds. So I have been, the instructions say that you need to use only the low setting for fine to medium hair. So I'm going to twist this about, I'm not sure if this is curling my hair too well, or am I not doing this well? Okay, seems to be a learning curve. Alright, so I clearly need to know how to do this a little better. So let me see. Let me try this side. Be careful while you're actually running your hair and trying to curl it around the brush, because the barrel is hot and it will be very similar to your typical curling tong. And then, let's see. Okay, I don't seem to have curls, but let's see. Nope, clearly I'm not doing this well. I'm sure with somebody who knows how to use this might be able to do this better, but I'm not sure if this will give me the look that I'm going for as much as. Also, this can, if you take it too close to your ear, this side is also heating up quite a bit, so be careful. Okay, I'm just going to try one last time to see how this goes, and if I'm not doing this well. It's asking me to curl the hair through the barrel and then slowly glide the brush, and still no curls, clearly. Let me try one last time, just because I still am not the smartest one to use these tools. And it says slowly glide the tool away. Okay, I can see perhaps you can get some loose waves, but this is not going to work for my hair. It might work for somebody who has some experience using a tool like this, but I don't think this will work for me. But I do appreciate the fact that I completely appreciate the fact of how beautiful this packaging is. the fact that it is international voltage and it is travel ready. I wish all these hair care tools would actually come with international voltage, and it will help a lot of people like me who travel or would like to buy some of these products where they are and just take it back home wherever we live. So that's that. And I think, at least for me, the Paul Mitchell Fresh Looks tool really doesn't work and doesn't give me the look that's given here. Until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.